I'm Dr. Gadea, and I'm here to sort out the marriage of these two Frescas. Mr. and Mrs. Fresca, what seems to be the problem?
They cheated on me with the goat.
I did not. I'm only for you, baby.
No, heck no. I saw you with him last night.
With him? I'm not with no him. You be tripping.
I don't be tripping. I saw you. Saw you.
What if I was? She's pregnant, you know. Or he's pregnant. He's pregnant, you know.
He's pregnant with my daughter.
What? Would you say, woman?
Ah! You slapped me. But I don't want to spill any soda. So I got balance.
Yeah, whatever. I forget what soda belonged to Noah.
Me too.